Hey there, fellow travelers and culture enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. In today's video, I'm taking you on an incredible journey to one of the most fascinating cities in Turkey, Antalya. Get ready to be captivated by its rich history, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Nestled on Turkey's southwestern coast along the azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea, Antalya is a vibrant and captivating tourist destination. As the largest city on the Turkish Riviera, Antalya offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, rich history, and modern amenities. With its stunning beaches, ancient ruins, and warm hospitality, this city has something for every type of traveler. Antalya enjoys a Mediterranean climate, with hot, dry summers and mild winters. The best time to visit is during the spring, April to June, and autumn, September to November, months when the temperatures are pleasant and ideal for exploring the city's outdoor attractions. Summers can be scorching, but they are also the peak tourist season, as many visitors flock to the beaches to soak up the sun. If you prefer milder weather and fewer crowds, consider visiting in the shoulder seasons for a more relaxed experience. Antalya has a rich and diverse history that dates back thousands of years. The region was inhabited by various ancient civilizations, including the Hittites, Persians, and Greeks. The city itself was founded by King Attalus II of Pergamon in the 2nd century BC, and it has been continuously inhabited ever since. Exploring the narrow streets of Antalya's old town, Kalichi, is like stepping back in time, with its well-preserved Ottoman-era houses and ancient Roman walls. During the Roman period, Antalya flourished and became an important regional center. The city boasts numerous architectural marvels from this era, including the iconic Hadrian's Gate, which was built in honor of the Roman Emperor Hadrian's visit in 130 AD. Other notable Roman sites include the ancient theater of Aspendos, one of the best-preserved theaters in the world, and the remarkable ruins of Perge, an ancient Greco-Roman city known for its grandeur. After the Roman period, Antalya came under Byzantine rule and later became part of the Ottoman Empire. These periods of history left their mark on the city's architecture and culture. The Ili minaret, with its distinctive fluted shape, is an iconic symbol of Antalya and dates back to the Seljuk era. Exploring the city's mosques, hammams, and caravanserais provides a glimpse into the rich legacy of the Ottoman Empire. Antalya is renowned for its breathtaking beaches that stretch along the coastline. From the popular Konyaaltı Beach to the picturesque Lara Beach, there is no shortage of sandy shores to relax and soak up the sun. Crystal clear waters invite you for a refreshing swim or a variety of water sports, making Antalya a paradise for beach lovers. Venturing beyond the coastline, the majestic Taurus Mountains await. These rugged peaks provide a stunning backdrop to Antalya and offer a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking trails wind through pine-scented forests, past hidden waterfalls, and lead to jaw-dropping panoramic views. The cable car ride up to Mount Tartali is a must for a bird's-eye perspective of the region's natural beauty. Antalya is also blessed with enchanting waterfalls that will leave nature lovers in awe. Dudun waterfall cascades into the sea, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of crashing water against a backdrop of cliffs and greenery. Kursunlu waterfall, located a short drive from the city center, offers a serene atmosphere surrounded by lush forests, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in nature's tranquility. To delve deeper into the city's history, a visit to the Antalya Museum is a must. This remarkable museum houses a vast collection of artifacts from Antalya and its surrounding regions, spanning thousands of years. From intricately carved statues to ancient jewelry and mosaics, the museum provides valuable insights into the civilizations that once thrived in this area. For a first-hand experience of Antalya's ancient past, exploring the ruins of Aspendos and Perge is a must. Aspendos, with its remarkably well-preserved theater, transports visitors back to the height of Roman civilization. Perge, on the other hand, offers a glimpse into both Hellenistic and Roman history, with its ancient streets, baths, and agora. No visit to Antalya is complete without passing through the iconic Hadrian's Gate. This majestic Roman triumphal arch stands as a testament to Antalya's historical significance and serves as a gateway between past and present. Strolling through the arch, you can almost feel the echoes of ancient empires and imagine the grandeur of antiquity. In conclusion, Antalya's vibrant mix of natural wonders, cultural heritage, and historical significance make it a captivating destination for all types of travelers. Whether you're seeking relaxation on pristine beaches, exploring ancient ruins, or immersing yourself in the city's rich history, Antalya offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of its timeless charm. Antalya is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a feast for the taste buds too. The city is a melting pot of flavors, offering a tantalizing array of traditional Turkish cuisine. From mouth-watering kebabs to rich and savory stews, you'll find yourself falling in love with the flavors of Antalya. So make sure to loosen your belt and prepare yourself for a food adventure like no other. When in Antalya, there are a few dishes that you simply can't miss. Sink your teeth into a juicy Adana kebab, a local specialty that will leave you craving for more. Don't forget to try the lahmacun, a thin and crispy Turkish pizza topped with mincemeat and vegetables. And for those with a sweet tooth, indulge in some baklava, a heavenly dessert made of layers of flaky pastry filled with nuts and drenched in sweet syrup. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. To truly experience the culinary delights of Antalya, take a stroll through the bustling food markets and local eateries. Lose yourself in the vibrant colors and aromas of the Spice Bazaar, where you can find an array of herbs, spices, and exotic ingredients. Make sure to stop by the local eateries, known as lokantas, where you can savor authentic Turkish dishes cooked with love and passion. And if you're feeling adventurous, strike up a conversation with the locals and ask for their recommendations. You might just stumble upon a hidden gem. Ready to shop till you drop? Antalya has got you covered. The city is home to an array of shopping districts that cater to all tastes and budgets. From luxury brands to local boutiques, you'll find everything you need and more. Head to the Old Town, where the winding streets are lined with charming shops selling handmade crafts and unique souvenirs. And if you're looking for a more modern shopping experience, make your way to the bustling malls that offer a mix of international and local brands. Retail therapy has never been so satisfying. When the sun goes down, Antalya comes alive with its vibrant nightlife and entertainment options. Whether you're in the mood for a relaxed evening sipping cocktails by the beach or dancing the night away in a trendy club, the city has something for everyone. Take a stroll along the marina and soak in the atmosphere, or head to the lively bar streets where you can find a variety of pubs, bars, and clubs. Whatever your idea of a good time is, Antalya won't disappoint. Looking for a unique experience? Dive into the fascinating world of marine life at the Antalya Aquarium. With its impressive collection of underwater creatures and interactive exhibits, this aquarium is a must-visit for both kids and adults. Marvel at the colorful fish, come face to face with sharks, and even try your hand at scuba diving in their specially designed tanks. It's an experience that will make you appreciate the beauty and diversity of the underwater world. If you're an adrenaline junkie or simply love the sun and sea, Antalya offers a plethora of outdoor activities to keep you entertained. From jet skiing and parasailing to windsurfing and paddleboarding, there's no shortage of water sports to try. And if you prefer a more relaxed beach experience, find a cozy spot on the golden sandy beaches and soak up the Mediterranean sun. Trust me, the combination of crystal clear waters and warm sunshine is pure bliss. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Antalya. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the picturesque nature trails that wind through lush forests, cascading waterfalls, and breathtaking viewpoints. Don't forget to bring your camera because the views will leave you awe-inspired. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual nature lover, Antalya's outdoor wonders are sure to captivate you. History buffs, rejoice! Antalya is a treasure trove of ancient ruins and historical sites waiting to be explored. Marvel at the well-preserved Roman theatre in Aspendos, or wander through the ancient city of Perge, where you can still see the grandeur of the past. Don't miss the chance to visit the ancient city of Termessos, perched high up in the mountains, offering stunning views and a glimpse into the region's rich history. With every step, you'll feel like you've traveled back in time. After all the adventures and explorations, it's time to treat yourself to some well-deserved relaxation. Antalya is famous for its hammams, traditional Turkish baths that offer a blissful experience for both body and mind. Step into a world of steam, exfoliation, and massages as you let go of all your worries. And if you're in the mood for some pampering, indulge in a luxurious spa treatment that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. When it comes to finding your zen, there's nothing quite like the sound of crashing waves and the feel of soft sand between your toes. Antalya's stunning coastline is dotted with beautiful beaches and coastal retreats, perfect for unwinding and soaking in the tranquility. Whether you choose to lounge on a sunbed, take a leisurely stroll along the shore, or indulge in a beachfront yoga session, the beaches of Antalya will help you find your in conclusion. Antalya truly stands out as a destination that offers a perfect blend of history, natural beauty, and modern attractions. Whether you are exploring the ancient ruins, sunbathing on the gorgeous beaches, or immersing yourself in the local culture and cuisine, Antalya has something to offer every kind of traveler. With its warm hospitality, stunning landscapes, and a rich tapestry of experiences, Antalya leaves an indelible mark on all who visit. So, start planning your trip to Antalya today and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in this vibrant Turkish city. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Antalya and that it ignited your curiosity to explore this city in person someday. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures around the world. Until next time, happy exploring.